Well, if you're heading out the door late tonight, be careful. Watch out for some low visibility as we have some areas of drizzle and actual patches of fog. Could even be a little bit dense at times. That's developing across central Illinois and will be moving into our area through the overnight hours. So watch out for some low visibilities. Make sure to give yourself just a little more time if you're heading out the door early for tomorrow morning. So as we look here at the visibility trends, we'll see that the visibilities gradually get worse and worse over the next several hours. And then through the overnight hours, that fog, like I mentioned, could be a bit dense at times and will improve later on in the morning. However, later on in the morning, that's when we could see a little bit of rain activity rolling through. So tonight, we do stay safely above freezing, so we don't necessarily have any kind of freezing fog to contend with. If you head further north into Wisconsin, maybe seeing some slick roads developing, but here in northern Illinois, not necessarily looking at that threat, at least as a major issue. But otherwise, we've got some foggy and drizzly conditions, so I think really the main issue will be the visibility. We'll see some clearing later on in the day, or in the morning, I should say. However, clouds will be sticking around, and we could even see a few rain showers rolling through the area, but otherwise we'll be noticeably warmer into the middle 40s in the afternoon, getting solidly above average, but we keep going from there as we enter this warm and wet pattern. So here we see on Future Track, we could have a stray shower or two towards the latter part of Thursday morning, but I think Thursday is more dry than not. Though we could still see some scattered showers later in the day, though as you can see, Future Track kind of painting those further towards the Chicago area for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Then heading into Friday, that's really when we start to see those rain chances ramping up. Both Friday and Saturday could have pretty much occasional rain showers. There will be some dry time in between these waves, but plan on these on and off showers really continuing for much of Friday into Saturday. Late Friday night, early Saturday morning, could even see some heavier rain at times before we start to dry things out later on into the weekend. So watch out for that fog in the morning tomorrow, then isolated showers on Thursday, turning to occasional rain showers both Friday and Saturday before we start to dry things out heading into Sunday. But we also see a big warm up one more time this year. Upper 30s that we had today will climb to near 50 by Friday, if not into the 50s as we head into the weekend. So as we look at your 7-day forecast, we've got a rainy few days up ahead, so make sure to have those umbrellas with you if you're heading out the door. Otherwise, don't necessarily need the winter coats for the cold because we've got temperatures about 20 degrees above average by Saturday. But in your most accurate 10-day forecast, as the rain dries up, we also start to cool off as we head towards New Year's. We could see another wave of active weather coming in Monday night into Tuesday. Could mix with some snow as those temperatures continue to drop into 2025.